Hey everybody, so I got a quick tool haul from Tractor Supply to do. So check out the video, stick around, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, so I forgot yesterday when I went to Harbor Freight, I got this 5-foot 6-inch by 7-foot 6-inch tarp. That was my free item. I forgot to do that, but I'll just throw it in this video. I did an Instagram post about this toolkit, Gearwrench, part number 82779. It's a 56-piece kit, and it's a nice kit. I picked it up at Tractor Supply for, I posted on Instagram $38. I made a mistake, it's $39. Amazon wants $87 or $89 something dollars for this kit, so I picked it up at Tractor Supply because I thought I could get it cheaper elsewhere, and there was no way. Amazon wanted way more than what Tractor Supply wanted, so I picked it up. I also picked up 2 of these Jobsmart from Tractor Supply. It's 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch 2-in-1 universal joints. They have dual functions. It allows to be used as an extension, or a standard extension, or a 360 swivel joint. So here it is in extension mode, and it locks the joint in. And here's, I got 2 of them, and here is it. They are in just regular universal mode, and I thought that was pretty nice. So I picked 2 of them up. I figured if I break one, you know, then I know not to go so high on torque with them. But it's a nice set, and it matches my impact extensions from Napa. This is the 3/4 inch, but I thought, hey, that's a pretty nice set. So I picked them up. So let's get this Gearwrench cardboard off, and we'll open this set up. And it does have a bunch of information on the back. Flex shaft spins internally, leaves the outer cover motionless. Precision fine tooth reversible ratcheting mechanism, contour dual material comfort grip, magnetic bit holder shaft keeps bits in place, bits store under cap for easy access. It's a nice little kit. It comes with sockets, 5/32, 3/16, 7/32, 1/4 inch, 9/32, 5/16, 11/32, 3/8, 7/16, and 1/2 inch. Comes with a 4mm, 5mm, 6mm, 7mm, 8mm, 9mm, 10mm, 11mm, 12mm, and 13mm in sockets. 1/4 inch bits in holder, slotted. 4mm, 5.5mm, 6.5mm, 5/32, 7/32, and 1/4 inch. Phillips comes with the number 0, 1, 2, and 3. Hex, it comes with a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8mm. Comes with a 1/8, 5/32, 3/16, 7/32, 1/4 inch, and 5/16. And a Torx, it comes with a T8, T10, T15, T20, T25, T27, T30, and T40. The kit that I was looking at online, which is $40, it comes with a lot of these extensions, and it comes with the T-handle ratchet handle, it comes with a full-size ratchet handle, and it comes with the Stubby ratchet handle, and it comes with a couple different extensions. I'm gonna end up picking that one up. Helpful if I grab some dikes. There's a little zip tie in the corner. Zip tie off. It open. So here's the flex shaft. It's got a 1/4 inch. It's kind of similar to my snap-on. Here's my snap-on. This is an older ratchet. This is the older style that you push this pin in and you can angle it. And I think, yeah, 2 different positions. But this is the same style. Takes a 1/4 inch on one end and then the bit on the other. So if I use the snap-on one and I grab this handle, it locks in just like that. It's a lot lighter than the snap-on. My snap-on's pretty heavy. It's a little bit longer. I say 1/8 of an inch longer, if that. It's not much longer at all. And the other kit that I was looking at that comes with both the T-handle and the straight and the stubby, it comes with a lot of these extensions, because this is a 1/4 inch. It's a 1/4 inch. And then it's got the 1/4 inch. It's got the 1/4 inch flex to the bits holder. This is a magnetic end too. And then it comes with a shorter 1/4 inch to bit, 1/4 inch bit, and then it comes with this shorter 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch for sockets. And then, you know, I can always use my snap-on short one in one of these if I need it to be pretty short. It's nice and smooth. Middle is lock. But the kit that comes with the 3 handles, this full size, the T-handle ratchet, and the stubby, it comes with a couple of these really short ones. It comes with like a 1 inch, a 2 inch, a 4 inch, like this one. It comes with a couple of these longer ones, and it comes with like 2 of these flex shafts. One's a short, it's like a 5 or 6 inch flex shaft, and then it comes with this long one. So I'm going to pick that kit up online. I don't normally use the sockets in kits like these, but they'll come in handy if I just need to throw it in the truck, or I need to just grab a kit real quick. I'm sure it will come in quite handy. It's a nice kit. You know, the bits aren't, you know, anything special. They're just bits. The sockets, I like the knurling on the sockets. It's got some nice knurling. This is an 8mm. The broaching is nice and clean. The 1/4 inch square shanking on the back is it's got the round outs in the corners, you know, similar to the Flank Plus and Snap-on. It looks like it's etched. Gearwrench, 8mm. Yeah, it might be stamped. But the broaching on the inside is nice and clean. The chrome goes all the way through, so it's a really nice set. Here's the 1/2 inch. The 1/4 inch have the knurling on the bottom, where the metric has the knurling on the bottom, and the standard doesn't. The standard doesn't have any knurling, but all the broachings look nice and clean. The chrome looks like it goes all the way into the socket. They're pretty decent sockets, and you know, I like these. These are really nice. I figured, hey, you know, for I think they were $14. What's the receipt say? Yeah, it's Harbor Freight. I don't even have a clue where I put the receipt. Just where I just have the receipt. It's a nice little set. The receipt's not in the bag. you know, but I like that you can just slide it up and it locks it. So you can use it as a regular extension. These say chrome vanadium on them. So they're chrome sockets, they're chrome universals. I wouldn't put too much stress on these. I wouldn't use them on an impact or anything heavy duty unless you had no choice or you needed to. These are mainly used for ratchet use, but I do like that you can slide it up and they lock. I thought that was a neat idea. Picked two up. Just happened that I can show a demonstration of them straight and bent at the same time. But I think these, if I remember correctly, are only 14 bucks for a set. I picked up two. This was $39.99. So please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.